Greetings and salutations. This is an announcement for anyone that could help support Schuyler Barbeau in his upcoming court hearing. I believe it's this Friday. His mother has recently put something out that my wife has shared with me, and I wanted to make a quick video about it. Let's see. The judge in Schuyler's case is Judge Richard A. Jones. If you know anything about Judge Richard A. Jones, as opposed to, whether he's fair or not fair, or any kind of history regarding his decisions, it would be much appreciated. But Schuyler did tell us the name of his judge. This judge is Judge Richard A. Jones. I believe he's the half-brother of Quincy Jones. And Quincy Jones is some sort of actor, musician, I'm not sure which. But I think I've heard the name Quincy Jones before. He's fairly famous. But Judge Richard A. Jones is his half-brother. All right. So here is the announcement by Stacey Barbeau, Schuyler's mom. Here goes. Schuyler has a hearing scheduled for 3 p.m. Friday. That would be 3 p.m. Seattle, Washington time, right? So that Friday would be what? The 21st? Yeah. April the 21st. This Friday. Prosecution will probably be geared up to slam him again with false facts and exaggerations to hopefully sway the judge to deny the three things Schuyler is asking for, which are, number one, more time allowed in the law library to prepare for his trial. When we spoke to Schuyler not too long ago, he was saying that he's not allowed in the law library but a couple of hours. I don't know if it's a couple hours a day or a couple hours a week. But in order to prepare for his trial, he really needed much more access to the law library. And so he's asking for more time. Number two, asking to have release on bail reconsidered so that he could prepare properly and do his research, etc., for his trial. That only makes sense to me. Number three, to build asking defense team. So he wants to build his defense team, but he can't very well do that if he's stuck in a jail cell and is limited in his communication and his calls. Stacey Barbeau goes on to write, if anyone can go, please consider it so he can see and so can the court that Schuyler has people who still showing support for him, their support for him. Please share this post. We need people to show up. Thanks, fellow friends and patriots. And I believe the address for the courthouse this Friday is 700 Stewart Street in Seattle, Washington, 98101. Let me say from personal experience with Kent Hovind, with Bryce Matthew Quellar, that when people show up and pack that courthouse, it makes a difference. It changes the atmosphere. It's very encouraging to the defendant, and it also shows the judge that a lot of people are watching this case and that it needs to be handled fairly. So I pray that you do show up, and this is from his mother. Pray that you write Schuyler a letter, and you find him on Facebook. I believe he's got some Facebook page. There it is right there, facebook.com, Schuyler.Barbeau. And so go to his Facebook page, interact with those guys, let them know you support him. Schuyler is the real deal. He doesn't compromise. He's a Marine. He's a veteran. And he believes in the Second Amendment and the Constitution. And he took his oath seriously. Don't turn our back on Schuyler Barbeau. God bless every one of you.